Howdy, y'all. Welcome back to another taste testing. Today, we're going Indian. It's Tasty Bites Vegetable Tikka Masala. Hearty vegetables cooked in an with aromatic spices and a creamy tomato sauce. It's a handy pouch, so you can take it camping with you, backpacking, motorcycle, whatever. It fit nicely in my saddlebags. I microwaved it for 1 minute. You can pour it out into a pan and cook it for 4 minutes. So it's easy to cook. And I was averse to Indian food for a long time. I have had a lot of friends that were Indian, and I don't like, what is it I don't like? Curry. Ugh. Curry and sweet potatoes. Those are my two no-nos. And my friends cooked really heavy with curry, some of them. However, a friend recently doesn't use curry in anything, and has turned me back onto Indian food, and I'm giving it a try. And so far, there's been some really delicious stuff. There's a lot of veggies in here. There's taters and carrots, onions, corn, green peas, green bell peppers, crushed tomatoes, cashew nuts, cream, garlic, ginger, cumin. I like cumin. Green chili peppers, coriander, turmeric, fenugreek leaves, cardamom, paprika, coriander. My friend that got me back into Indian food, she does use cumin, and I like cumin. I've started cooking with it in some dishes, especially my chili. I like it. I don't know. I feel bad I hid from Indian food all this time, because this is really good. I like a lot of spice and flavor sometimes, and this has a fantastic flavor. I could have been taking this camping with me. This is good, y'all. Some foods like shrimp or steak, I want to taste shrimp or steak or lobster. So the less spicing, the better in my eyes. You know, salt, pepper, garlic, butter in the case of actually either shrimp or steak. Citrus goes really good with shrimp, by the way. This is a big thumbs up. See that? Oh, sorry. So this is getting added to both my lunch repertoire and my camping. When I go motorcycle camping, it doesn't take room in the saddlebags. It's a lot cheaper than the freeze-dried meals. It's 140 calories per serving, 280 per pouch. Their serving suggestion is on rice, so you could cook some parboiled rice and have you a really nice campsite meal. So that's it for today. A thumbs up and a apology to my Indian friends who I snubbed all those years, not realizing how delicious food could be if there's no curry. So anyway, thanks for watching, and y'all have a great day, a great apocalypse. Bye.